do an interview with my toddler. Guys, nag-fill up ako nung nursery ni Adriel. Ayan. Kaya ko siya ini-interview. What's your favorite animal? Animal. Laura, what's your favorite color?
Orange.
Do an interview with my toddler. Listen. I am how
3 years old.
okay. I like to watch.
Green.
I like to watch. What do you want to watch?
Purple.
Okay. My favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
What else?
Orange.
Orange is your favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay, orange. What's your favorite food? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken.
And rice.
Chicken and rice. And rice. What's your favorite animal? Animal.
Elephant.
Elephant. Wow. Good job. Okay, that's your favorite animal. What is your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Bible stories, nursery rhyme. What's your favorite book?
Stories.
Like what? What story?
Book story.
Nursery rhymes lang.
Book story.
We are reading Bible and nursery rhyme. What do you want? What is your favorite book?
Lagyan mo rin yung dalawa.
History. History.
Nursery rhymes. Mhm. What is your favorite activity you want to do?
Park.
What
Park.
Going to park. What else?
It's nice.
What do you want to do, baby? Go to park.
Uniform.
What else?
Shopping.
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 Market.
Dada.
Supermarket.
Yes, shopping to the supermarket. What do you want to do now?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, sleeping.
Sleeping.
You want to sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. Adriel,
Park.
when you grow up, you want to be what? What do you want when you grow up? Doctor, police, nurse, pilot. What do you want when you grow up?
Go up.
What do you want when you grow up? What do you want to do? Like
Ambulance.
what?
It's ambulance.
Ambulance. So you want to be a nurse or a medic or a what do you want in the ambulance?
Ambulance driver.
Okay. So my baby wants to be an ambulance driver. What is ambulance driver?
Baby driver ambulance.
Okay, good job, Mac. So, Adriel, what are you good at?
Dude.
Singing.
You're good at singing, yes.
Dancing.
And you go.
Buti-buti mo palitoon.
Kanin man ay dumating. Go. Sing. Suliran.
Ay dumatis. Lumos. Mama. Bahi. Nagidun ko sa'yo laban. Nanatili tayo laban.
Thank you, Lord. You're good at singing and dancing, right? You love to dance.
Now,
And you're good at playing instrument. Are you good at playing instrument?
Yeah.
But you want to play instrument, right? Socialize. Good at being friendly. Adriel, who are your friends? Do you have friends? Do you have friends?
Yeah.
Who are your friends?
Big boy.
Your friends with?
With
Ikaw friend, no?
water pen.
Next.
Okay, 1, yes, 2, yes, 2. No, what is this one? Okay. Ma!
It's okay. No worries.
Ito.
So, guys, nag-fill up ako nung sa nursery ni Adriel. Ayan. Kaya ko siya ini-interview. So, ayan. Yan yung mga activities niya. Ito yung, yan yung nursery niya. A private nursery for children 0 to 5.
Rilo.
So, ayan siya, guys. Adriel, come here pa. Adriel, what are the things I can do myself? So, ayun guys, ang interview portion ko kay Adriel, part ng kanyang mga questions sa nursery. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye-bye. God bless.